How to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Tap on three bar icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and look for the option of archiving and downloading and select to open it. Here you will see saving to camera roll section. Simply you need to toggle on the button for save original photos and save story to gallery. This will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. And it will automatically save your story to your phone's gallery as well. So in this way, you will successfully save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.